Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the mobile data on Oukitel WP50. If you are connected to mobile data but you cannot use internet, try these steps to fix it. The first one is gonna be swipe down from the right top part of your screen to reveal the control center. Then find the settings button, go to SIM card and mobile data, mobile network, click on your network, then disable it and enable it again. Then you can check if it works. If it doesn't, try swiping down from the right top part again, then click on airplane mode and wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then disable airplane mode and it should connect to the mobile data. And if it still doesn't work, then there is one more thing you can try, is to restart your device. To restart it, press and hold on the power button, then click on restart, OK, and now wait until it restarts. And when it restarts, your mobile data should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.